Do you like Morgan Wallen, huh? You do? You do? Do you like Morgan? Huh? Yeah. Are you a Morgan girl, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Which one's your favorite, huh? Which one is your favorite by Morgan? All of them? Yeah. Me too. Me too. Yeah. Do you relax in the sunshine and listen to Morgan? You do? Yeah. Is he the best? Ow! Is he the best ever? Huh? He is? Yeah. Yeah, we just love some Morgan, don't we? Yeah, are we country girls, huh? Are we just country girls? Are we? Huh? Are we just some country girls? Yeah. Yeah, tell Morgan hi. Tell him. Tell him. Say hi. Yeah, tell him. Tell Morgan say hi. I know, we love him, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Tell him. Say hi, Morgan. Say hi, Morgan. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Does he just make you want to bite the couch? You love him so much, huh? Yeah. 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 So you just want to love somebody, huh? Like he says, huh? Yeah.